Hello again, we're here to find out to give you some more wonderful information. So, you bought a brand new stove. You go in, you turn it on, and it starts to smoke. That is not a problem. That is actually necessary for your stove. What I mean by that is, if you come in here and look, this is a brand new stove, okay? These are, for lack of a better way to explain it, there is a coating on them that keeps them from rusting until they actually cure. What I mean by cure is, when you turn it on, right now, this has never been turned on, so if it didn't have something on it, it would actually possibly start to rust if there was any issues with it. So they put a coating on there so it actually won't allow it to rust. When you turn your oven on, when you get it first, let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes by itself with nothing in it. You might see a little smoke, that is okay. It is the element burning off anything that might have gotten on it from the time it was in production to the time it actually got to your house. That is completely normal. If it's smoking 20, 30 minutes after it's done, you have a bigger issue. But for the most part, you're gonna have a little smoke and a little bit of smell coming off of this thing because these have not cured yet. Once they heat up and once they cool down, they're perfectly fine. You never have to worry about that ever again, okay? Now, if you've had your stove for 6, 7, 8 months and it starts to smoke, you have a different issue. Okay, odds are something spilled on your element and it's burning off. So take a look at your element, make sure it looks all the same and clean, okay, or clean your oven, okay. Very few people are very good about cleaning their oven on a consistent basis. You need to make sure you do that on a consistent basis. One, it helps your oven work better, and two, it just doesn't add flavors and smells to your food that you don't want. Okay, so when you get your oven, like I said, that initial 10-15 minutes of smoke and smell is natural. If it goes longer than that, then you're going to want to call someone to come and take a look at it because you have a bigger issue, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come back and get some more information later. Have a good day.